Welcome to Bite-Sized Cocktails, where AI meets mixology. Let's craft something incredible. This mojito was designed by AI, and it might be better than the original. It's light, it's smooth, it's smarter than anything we expected. But how? We asked ByteBar, our in-house cocktail AI, to re-engineer the mojito from the ground up. The goal? Make it lighter, make it smoother, make it smarter. And ByteBar came back with something surprising: coconut water. To understand why that might work, we need to break the mojito down by its structural systems. Every ingredient has a job. Mint provides aromatic lift. It activates the nose before the tongue. Lime juice brings acid, bright, sharp, and cleansing. Simple syrup adds sugar, balancing the acidity and rounding the rum. White rum delivers ethanol, structure, warmth, and flavor volatility. Club soda contributes dilution and texture. It stretches the drink and lifts aromatics. But here's the catch. This structure is fragile. It has no fat, no emulsifier, no thickener. If you miss even one ratio, the entire drink feels thin, sharp, or lifeless. Here's what ByteBar saw in the data. Mint and lime provide bright, sharp elements. Rum brings structure. Sugar adds body. But club soda, it dilutes without reinforcing flavor or texture. Coconut water, on the other hand, has natural sugars and minerals, adds subtle flavor and light sweetness, and contributes fluid volume without stripping body. It doesn't just replace soda, it upgrades the texture. Think of it as a supportive matrix: lightly sweet, slightly thickened water with electrolyte properties that stabilize flavor perception. ByteBar wasn't just guessing, it was building a better suspension system. Here's what ByteBar suggested: 6 to 8 mint leaves, clapped, 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice, 1/2 to 3/4 ounce simple syrup, 2 ounces white rum, 1 ounce coconut water, ice, topped with club soda, garnish with slapped mint and a lime wheel. Let's break this down. The mint is clapped, not muddled. This releases oils without bitterness. Lime remains sharp at 3/4 of an ounce, just enough to cut, not dominate. Simple syrup is adjustable. ByteBar allows a sliding scale based on your soda's sweetness. Rum is untouched, full structure preserved. Coconut water is added pre-shake, ensuring it emulsifies with citrus and sugar. Soda tops the drink, not builds it. The coconut water now does the heavy lifting. Every choice is logical. Every piece fits. Now let's build it. Clap the mint and drop it in the shaker, no shredding.
I'm gonna put this in here to start building the cocktail. A 1/2 ounce of simple syrup.
Adjust to taste.
So we're gonna do our 3/4 ounce of lime. I typically just base it as, it almost evens out every time that 1 full lime will be 3/4 of an ounce. Also works best to use this fresh lime, just because it has much better flavor and just more freshness than you will get with a bottled lime product. Now, we're gonna start with 2 ounces, or go on to 2 ounces of white rum. Then after that, we're gonna do with our homemade coconut water. We're going with 1 ounce. We're gonna just add some ice to it. We're gonna shake it lightly, because we don't wanna make like a fruit cocktail at the bottom. We just wanna mix up the flavors and let it all combine together.
Shake gently. This is about combining, not bruising.
You wanna go until you can feel it either frost up and you can start drawing on it, or until it gets too cold to handle. Then we're going to fill our glass with ice. And then we are going to double strain over the top. Just to leave enough room for our soda water. So we're gonna go back with the soda water just to give it a nice little fizz on top. There we go. Now we're gonna garnish the drink taking a lime. I always like to slice just a little wheel. It, in my opinion, looks a lot better. So toss it right on the side. Now after the lime, we're gonna add a nice little mint sprig. We're gonna slap that to release the oils. And there we go. Perfect mojito.
This is ByteBar's mojito. Let's see if it holds up.
It's very good. Just a slight hint of coconut. Very refreshing. 10 out of 10 recommend.
We expected pretty good. We got 10 out of 10. The coconut water didn't overpower, it whispered. It softened the lime without flattening it. It supported the mint without muting it. And it extended the drink's refreshment from first sip to last without going watery. ByteBar didn't just get close, it nailed it. This is what happens when data meets real-world taste. ByteBar modeled the structure. Jacob tested the outcome. No rebuild was needed because every part made scientific sense. Not every AI build works out, but this one belongs in the rotation. If you like drinks that are engineered to be better, not just trendy, subscribe. ByteBar's got more in the lab. Thanks for joining us for another AI-crafted cocktail. If you had fun, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more bite-sized mixology experiments coming every week. Got a crazy cocktail idea? Or want to challenge the AI? Drop it in the comments. We might just feature it in the next video. Cheers!